All right, here we are at the dump station. Got our gloves on. We have secured the hose, the dump hose, nice and securely into the hole. We got the heavy cover holding it down, aiming downwards. We've got this dump hose connected to our RV. You can see the secure little notches. We took off this part, and we now put on the red part. Okay, and we've got two different tanks. This is the black tank and this is the gray tank. We're gonna do the black tank flush first. Let all the poop out first. Gonna open it and close it. Open it, let it all out. Wait till there's no more sound, then close it, and after that we're ready for the gray water. Open it, let it all flush out, and then close it. Then after that, unscrew this red part, screw back the black part, and then take the dump hose, take it out, use the water hose, rinse it all off, and then you're done. All right, here we go. We're secure now. So we're gonna do the black water first. Here we go. Ready? And set and go. Let it all flush out. You can hear it. 25 gallons. After it's all drained out, we should be able to look on the gauge inside the RV. Once you walk in, the left-hand side, you'll see the gauge and check up the black water tank. It should show empty, unless a piece of tissue is blocking the gauge. Otherwise, it'll show empty. You can hear sound is almost gone. Still hear a little bit of dripping. You can hear the dripping. Let it all wash out. That's your pee and your poo. Okay, I hear it dripping. I feel it's heavy here. The snake. When I hear it all finished dripping, then I'll help it along. You can actually hear it right now. Let's help it along. Almost done. The hose is getting lighter. Lighter, very light. Okay. Now we got all that washed out. Nothing left. Light, light, light. Okay, now close that black water tank. Don't want any contamination between the two tanks. So close that off, and now the gray water. Here we go. Here's your shower water. Okay, you can hear some of that coming down. And after that's all finished draining, then we'll close the tank, take the red hook off, put the black cap back on, and there you have it. Now some people, they want to be green, and they want to just have their gray water tank water their garden. So if that's the case, they will keep this on, and they will hook up their garden hose to this little hole here. And once their gray water tank is full, they will hook up that garden hose and release that valve, And there you have it. You are watering your garden with your shower water. Make sure that the soap is environmentally friendly. Okay? Just a little more trickling. Now let's help it along. It's getting lighter and lighter and lighter. And once you're all done here, go inside the RV and you'll check out the gauge. It should show empty. There you have it. Here at the ABBA Self and RV Storage, RV Dump Station. Okay, just so you know, there's your city sewer, garbage can, water, just ignore that. There's your hose, and just some, in case you want to fill up water and air for your tires. Alrighty, and hope you enjoyed that. And even though it's kind of difficult for some people, it's actually very easy once you get the hang of it. Alright, good luck. And signing off, Lexington by Forest River in Concord, Pleasant Hill, California.